Hello all, welcome to our new podcast. Today we will be talking about different things related to design. This is me, Rajat, and Shubham on the other side. We both work as a faculty in a design school named Avantika University. We are based in Ujjain, and let's start with it.
That's it.
Yeah.
So, hi Rajat. So, I would like to start this podcast with a very cliche question or a very cliche start. Let's start with form versus functionality.
ओके काफ़ी चर्चे में रहता है ये टॉपिक है ना तो आई थिंक बोथ आर इम्पोर्टेंट बीइंग अ डिज़ाइनर
Okay.
व्हाट आर योर व्यूज
Like yesterday only, I was having a conversation with Anand, and he's an architect. And what he said, like in architectural design, visuals are more important than functions. I mean the aesthetic and the sense and the vibe that create when a building create, that's more important than the functionality. But I don't think personally, because when I see a country like India, when a person buys a plot, a very small plot, the first things that comes in his mind that how many rooms will be created in this plot.
True.
This is the functional aspect. Then the form and the color thing and the arrangement and the sequencing.
Yeah,
These
that's
things.
secondary.
That's the later part, I
Yeah.
guess. So I don't know. Some people, every individual have a different priority.
Yeah,
But,
he being an architect, he might be inclined towards all the things, right? But I think there are civil engineers also.
Yes.
So once you make a plan, once an architect makes a plan of a building, he has to go to the civil engineer
Yes.
and get it approved.
True.
And then after that approval, he has to go to a government authority, which passes the map. So anyhow, that engineer checks all the functionality.
True.
Will all the pillars stand properly? Will it sustain the air flow and other things? Right?
So same, like this is the only structure that we follow in design school as well.
Yeah.
That first we focus on the functional part, and then whether it's a graphic design or a product or an architectural design, and then we work on the visual and aesthetic part. But like this is from designer point of view. But let's see from a viewer's point of view. Like if you want to buy a car, so what you will see first?
Yeah, I'll just see the form of it.
Yes.
The curves, lines,
Yes,
then
definitely,
color.
Definitely, yes,
Yeah.
and overall the semantic of any car or.
But I'll also look for how much average does it give, or what are the features inside it.
But what is your first priority?
First priority is looks.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Okay.
Secondly, it's average also.
Okay.
How much mileage will it give? So I guess both matters. But if you are filthy rich, if I have like $100,000 in my pocket, I'll just go and buy a Lamborghini.
But imagine a person who's very sporty.
Yeah.
Okay. And the bike has a very good mileage and everything, the functional part, but it's not looking very sporty. It's looking very, very feminine or very elegant and very delicate. So what do you think? That person will buy that bike?
Obviously not. I guess so. But if he doesn't have choice, like there are trade-offs always.
Yes.
You will get out of 10, you might get 8 in functionality and 7 in appearance or aesthetics. So you have to see what to prioritize first. If I don't have money, then I'll go for a bike which gives a nice average or a mileage instead of going for its look.
Okay.
Right.
Maybe it also varies product to product. Like when I have to buy a laptop, first I'll see the configuration.
Yeah.
Okay. Even in the case of phone, we'll see the configuration and the screen size and the updated
Features,
version and
yeah.
features all. And then we see the how slim it is, black hai, white hai, cover kya. These are the secondary in these type of products, especially like in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
phone and laptop,
Electronics and-
electronic, or whether it's a speaker. So, like the functionality and a form relation varies product to product. Maybe in the case
True,
of
true.
bike and car, I mean the first thing is the visual.
हाँ.
अगर मुझे बहुत ही premium car चाहिए and it's not premium enough, then what's the point?
Yeah, looks also matters because if we talk about cars, it's a status symbol
Yes.
for many
Yes,
people.
yeah, true, true.
So you have to, if you bring a car in your society and all other people looks to it like, oh, Sharma ji ka beta car leke aaya hai.
I mean, it's like a symbol of growth.
Yeah.
You are growing now.
Yeah, yeah.
क्योंकि पहले person scooter लेता then he
It's a
buys a
symbol
bike.
of prosperity कि हो रहा है कुछ.
True.
हाँ, सही है.
So, I mean, yes. So,
So
like
product depends on
depends on the
products.
product.
Also depends on user. Ki what's the economic status of a user. So
Yes.
if a farmer is buying a bike, he will always go for a mileage one, a rough bike
Even
which
our-
can go in fields.
True.
Yeah.
Apart from farmers, even our fathers.
Yeah.
Like even when you talk to your father, first thing you say, no, this bike doesn't have a good mileage.
हाँ.
He will talk about the functional part.
Functional part, yeah.
And maybe a young generation just talk about, no, it's not dynamic enough. It's looking like an ant or something.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
talk on such stuff.
So
Yes. Maybe
in both
generation
the-
to generation that also varies. Product to product varies.
Yeah.
And
So now we are shifting from functionality towards the form because technology is getting saturated.
okay.
Like 3 or 4 companies have same technology. They are giving same mileage bikes, but how to differentiate between their technology? So they change the form. They change the look of the technology, and I think that's why there are variations in that. We are getting variations in forms for same functionality.
And what do you think about the form and function in graphic design?
Graphic design. I'm not an expert in it, but
Maybe a packaging. Let's take an example of
packaging.
Any
Okay.
packaging. Maybe a packaging of appy or fruity and lassi, such kind of Tetra Pak beverages.
Functionality wise, they are not changing much, but aesthetic part or you can say the fonts or the color, there are many variations in it.
But
Also, they are targeting the different segments, so they will sell the same product to different people in different packaging, and mostly the look is changed.
but in the case of packaging, what is form or visual and aesthetic part, and what is functional part?
Functional part is how you carry it, how you take it from one place to another, how you
Yes, nice.
pack the product and you take it.
Even the quantity.
Quantity also
I don't know
matters. Yeah.
how much is very much user friendly to carry in our hand or to take up the size of the form of the box basically. Is it easy to carry or the holding
Yeah.
ergonomic
Ergonomic
experience?
part,
Basically, maybe in packaging thing the structure, the material, these will be the functional part of any packaging, and then where is the font or graphic thing that's become the aesthetic part.
But have you seen any new packaging recently?
New packaging.
Yeah. Any innovations in packaging? Have you seen paperboard packaging?
Paperboard, yes.
It was innovative, but after that they didn't change much. They are changing the graphics,
Yes.
but not the actual packaging wala functionality. It's not getting changed.
There's also one thing like the taste of paperboard. So maybe there was a time it got very hyped because of the packaging thing and the matte finish of the packaging or the illustration and minimal graphic style and putting a storyline like nostalgia. Then after drinking the product, I mean, it's not very much satisfying for me, whether it's aam panna or anything. So ultimately, I mean, there's also a role of the actual product. It's not about
True.
true.
Yeah.
So if that is not working. So everything has to work parallelly, whether it's about the form and the material of the packaging, the graphic of the packaging, and the content inside the packaging.
So real product also
Real
matters.
product, that's not in our hand. I mean, you are a product designer, I'm a graphic designer. We made a very beautiful packaging, but the content is only shitty.
That also
Same with
matters,
any deo,
right?
like any deodorants thing. And we did a very great packaging, but the smell is only not good.
Okay. So functionality is compromised here.
Functionality is, I don't know. I mean, in packaging case, there are three things basically. One thing is not in our hand, which is the chemicals.
Or inside product.
Yeah, that's not
Okay.
in our hand. Okay. Next. The next question is:
Yeah.
in any design school, are we teaching according to the market, or are we teaching what is actually required? So, I know in any academic meeting there are board members from industry as well.
Yeah.
In any academic meetings, so there are 3-4 people who are from the industry, and they give their views what is actually required in the design schools. And so, what is your take? Who is the superior faculty? Like a design school is a superior faculty who is establishing a curriculum according to themselves, or the market is the superior faculty who is telling us that you have to make such kind of thing, you have to make more user experience design courses in your college.
I think it's market only.
It's market only.
Yeah, we are producing students as a future employees.
Yes.
So, not only in design schools, but I see it everywhere. Even in our engineering, I have a background of engineering, so even in our engineering, they used to tell us that this will be better. If you do like this, you will get a better job. You will be more employable. So, instead of growing a child's character or a personality, we are more focusing on what industry will need.
Yes.
So we are making them like a robot only.
I mean, this is not a very correct way to continue. I mean, as a design school, if we are just doing, I mean, obviously, what we are learning, we have to contribute that thing in the industry only. Okay, but still, we should not. Our sequence or our growth or our changes doesn't entirely should depend on the market. The main market is not right.
True. Yeah. Now after this corona thing, I think many of the people are going to lose their jobs, and even this final year batch is going to face what you can say unemployment. So
a very different kind of approach, maybe for which they are not really prepared, and they have to build changes.
True.
Or they have to adapt the changes. They are the only generation who have to adapt the changes. If they don't adapt, they won't survive only.
True. But being in the institute, have we taught them to really adapt or really change according to situations?
Maybe this is the kind of situation we are facing first time.
Yeah,
nobody was prepared for COVID or such kind of thing.
But I think whatever happened for a good thing. Like people got conscious about themselves because of this thing.
True.
So you won't learn just to go into industry and get a job.
True.
Now you will learn so that you can start your own company, or maybe you can start teaching the same thing which you learned.
True.
So I think it's a good thing in a way, but the final year batch is at the loss.
Okay.
I think.
I just feel like I've said so many times, because everything is going online, no doubt. Everything is becoming digital. We have changed the definition of product design as well, digital product design, and we are introducing so much of UX and digital kind of courses and everything, whether it's about space design, product design, and everything. But I mean, we are doing entirely according to the market need. But are we forgetting something?
Basics are.
I really don't think
physical only.
I mean, young designers have very good visualization skills or maybe sketching skills, and we are just doing what is required in the market,
Yeah.
what is not really needed.
True.
Maybe there's so many things like emotional design, and then cultural and philosophical designs,
Yeah.
psychology in design, culture in design. I mean, are we taking such aspects in design?
Like we talk about empathy
Empathy.
and empathy mapping and
Yes.
all, but I don't see students going to someone they are making a product for. So I used to go to a user and I'll sit with them or I'll live with them for two or 3 days to study them. But now these people are just watching 2-3 videos and saying that we did a research on
Yes,
these people.
They are taking persona of 3%, and on the basis of 3%, they are making a product, and ultimately they are making a product for them only.
Them only, yeah.
For them, it's not.
So we are saying that they have empathy, but they didn't practice empathy.
Maybe right now that we have made the changes in curriculum, and that we have now that we have a 10 credit course, a student will get maybe 10 weeks,
10 weeks. Yeah.
for a course or for a project. So maybe this is a good time to give.
So new batch will get that time.
Yeah,
now.
maybe
But this
to do-
final year batch, which are out now, which are trying for jobs,
Yes,
what they will be doing.
I don't know.
It's a hard time for designers right now.
Yes.
Not only designers, I think engineers also are facing the same thing everywhere.
Okay. Now that there's one statement that I heard in my college time,
Okay.
and it was, product design is the father of design. What is your take on this?
I think it's true to some extent. Like we started from material things only, all physical things, all materials. Like initially humans discovered fire, or humans made weapons to hunt.
Yes. Okay.
So they made products only. They got stones, tied it to a wood or a stick, and then they went for hunting.
Okay.
So initially human has made products physically.
Okay.
So design evolved from physical products only.
Though at the same time, what you're saying, at the same time, maybe they made a weapons for the hunting. So you are saying because of on these incident, product design is the father of design. But at the same time, they made a shelter also.
Yeah.
In the night.
Yeah. So
Okay.
they use physical materials.
No,
right?
shelter will come under architectural design.
Okay,
So
fine.
maybe on that basis, I can say ki or the understanding of cave, living in a cave. Living in a cave will come under space design and architectural design.
Okay.
So they can say no, architectural design should be the father of design. And I can say personally, on the cave when they hunt the animal, they made a painting also
Yeah.
that we hunt the animal, and they tell. I mean, they started a strategy of telling us stories at the same time. So I can say graphic design is the father of design.
This didn't happen at the same time. First, people
First-
started hunting. Okay. Primitively, they started hunting. Then they found that if they hunt together,
Yes.
they can easily hunt. So then they made a community. They started living together. They started protecting each other.
Yes.
And then when they were living there, they wanted to communicate. Now, how will they communicate?
Yes.
Then came the graphic design. They started making songs, you can say, or they started drawing on caves to tell what do they do. So maybe we don't know the facts.
We know.
But-
I mean, we can just
but
imagine the sequences
Yeah,
or
yeah,
the
yeah.
incident.
Yeah.
I mean, it's true. We can't say the exact thing.
But I think whenever you interact with a material,
Yes.
it comes under product design only.
No, it will come under space design as well. Space and architectural design, and it
Space-
will come under industrial design if you interact with material.
Yeah.
But at the same time, when you're interacting with material, it's also on a very philosophical take. It's also a communication design because when you see a material, it's responding. Okay. Example: when you see a fruit, okay, how you get a sense that this fruit is meant to be eaten. It's a sense. It's a communication sense that we got Like, yeah, this is the color is inviting, the form is inviting, we should pluck it. The smell is inviting, and the taste is also inviting, so we should eat. So that's how we establish that fruit is meant to be eaten, and leaves are not meant to be eaten.
So it's a product semiotics.
So product semiotics, it's a part of communication theory, communication model. Something is
Okay.
communicating and you are responding.
Yeah.
So in that case, maybe if you're talking about this, just a sequencing,
Yeah,
what
yeah.
started first, and on that basis, product design should be the father of design, then maybe.
But I think if you make a product, at least in my case, if I've designed a light, okay, so after that I have to design a packaging also. Then I have to design its logo, then its interaction. Then after that, how the packaging will look like external graphics of packaging. So I have to do everything from scratch. So like interaction design also came inside it, communication also came inside it,
Yes.
graphics also came inside it.
Yes.
So that's why it is called as father of design.
It's
Being
not called an, it's someone's philosophy.
It can be like.
But there are some brand. In some brand, what they do, they make a product, and after making a product, they make a brand.
Okay.
Think, in some cases, first they make a brand. Making a brand, like, I want to make something which is against animal cruelty, and this is their statement. And on this statement, they'll make a moisturizer, they'll make a juice, they'll make any product, but that will be against the animal cruelty.
Okay.
So there are different ways of. In some time, product is the primary factor. In some time, philosophy or the statement is the primary. Tagline is the primary factor,
Yeah.
and on that factor you make everything. On that factor you make products. So here the slogan comes under graphic design.
Okay. Maybe. But previously this doesn't used to happen. Maybe due to information age, we can say, due to internet, there's a hype for your idea also, or a slogan also. Initially you have to sell a scooter, then only they got to know that scooter is a Bajaj scooter. So Bajaj didn't tell any philosophy, they sold products first. Titan sold their watch first.
No, I don't know. Philosophy is sometimes not visible. Like when they say Hamara Bajaj, this tone, this homely tone, and saying this Hamara, the owning thing. When you buy a thing, you own thing.
But after they got famous, they got the ad, na?
I don't know. Maybe because of the ad they got famous.
We never know. But it was a hit. Scooter was a hit.
Scooter was it.
And just like cars, people used to think that owning a scooter is a prestigious thing. So I guess this is it.
Yes.
Let's continue tomorrow, right?
Definitely.
With some new questions and some new answers, some new talks. Please let us know if you guys like it in comment section, and if you have any questions to ask us, you can type it out. Let us know.
Or any topic that you want us to talk
Yes, any topic also. Yeah. Okay then. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. Take care.